Want to know how to fix the Mobile Legends error code 9999? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix the Mobile Legends error so you can just simply play the game normally. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Mobile Legends application and see if there are any further errors in it. So if it's just 9999, sometimes it could be just your connection issue. So you just simply turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi first up. So if that still doesn't work, what you can do is you can just simply update your Mobile Legends app. We have also created a video on how to do it. Just simply head towards your Play Store and search for Mobile Legends and then just update it. And that's it. Now next thing what you can do is you can just simply head towards your app information right here. And on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as clear data or clear cache. This simply select clear data or clear cache and then select OK and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.